Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set who can reply to the profile that you follows on your Threads application to the post setting. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set who can reply to the profile you follow in Threads. For an example, I just posted a video tutorial about here, but I just want to change it to the post Threads or post can be replied only for the person who following profile you follow, so that who the followers are you having or who you following will only have access to reply to this Threads or post. You can just set like that. Just click on this three dot, and here you will see an option called who can reply. Just click this and it will show a three option: anyone, profile you follow, and mention only. You just need to click to switch to profile you follow. So if you are following a 500 person, so the 500 person can only have access to reply to this particular Threads or post in your Threads application. So you can just make it as like this to avoid over commenting or something like that. So this is how you just can make it on any post, and this will apply for the single post, individual post that you have been changing this setting. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.